Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today there is a special event here. We're gonna go and check it out. Sekai Gourmet. And here we have
It's
Miley.
Let's enjoy World Gourmet
World Gourmet.
with me.
So let's go and check it out. The location is Sumida Park. As you see, Skytree over there. It's a very beautiful day in Tokyo. And we're gonna try some international food in here. So, you hungry? Should we line up?
So first it's Peru pork sand. As you can see, it's very popular.
It's from Peru.
Peru. これはジャパンかな？ジャ
So
パン。
it's Japan.
Crepes. これは international.
International sausage.
Next is Taiwan.
Taiwan.
あれがこっちはシュラスコだから、ブラジル？
Brazil.
美味しそう、シュラスコ丼。美味しそう。
Churrasco.
そう。And Hawaii.
Oh,
Hawaiian barbecue 美味しそう。
this is from Hawaii. Yeah. So good. Looks
これ
delicious.
は from Taiwan.
Taiwan, yeah?
Taiwanese food. I love.
Yeah, this also looks delicious. Ooh.
佐世保バーガー。
Oh,
We went to 佐世保. Do you remember?
in Shiga? Yeah, we tried this food actually in Shiga.
佐世保っ
It's
て滋賀じゃないかも。長崎じゃね？
Nagasaki, but it's really delicious.
あれ？
Look at that hamburger.
長崎だ、長崎。
Nagasaki, yeah.
行ったことないわ。
It's from Nagasaki.
We haven't been to
It's similar
佐世
to
保
the
yet.
one in Shiga. We
So-
tried one in Shiga, it was similar. Yeah.
これ美味しそう。
Wow. Too many delicious food to try.
And Korea.
Korea, here's Korea.
キンパとかあるね。Italian gelato.
This one also looks delicious. Also, you can get some drinks and also sweets later.
これはイギリスですか？
It's from
そうなんですけどね。チーズ、マヨネーズ。
oh, sold out. Wow, that's still should be very
今
popular.
始まったばっかりじゃん。Just today started.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe they
Already
didn't
sold.
prepare that.
Maybe they didn't know it's gonna be very popular. So it's already sold out. It's only noon time now. And there is a stage over there. Maybe they have some shows.
It's German
German.
sausage. German sausage.
German.
オールハンドメイドソーセージ。
あ
これちょっと食べたいな。これも食べたい。あれ、ブラジル？
That one is not Brazil. Yeah.
今日わかんない。
Yeah, there are foods from many countries. This one is from China. Yeah, this one also looks delicious. Alaska.
American.
From Alaska. Alaska seafood.
ゼポリーネだから作
from Alaska. And that one also is sold out.
こっちはある。ゼッポリーネはある。
It's early to be sold out. Still is
I
noontime.
think they didn't prepare.
Prepare enough, yeah? Maybe.
It hasn't prepared yet.
Yeah. And this one is from where?
朝岡？ジャパンじゃん、ジャパン。
This is from Japan.
美味しそう。
Yeah.
アルゼンティン。
From
これ
Argentina.
食べたい。
From Argentina, oh yeah. From Argentina.
これも美味しそう。アルゼンチンエンパナーダ。エンパナーダ。
Banana. And they have drinks over there, all type of drinks. This is America. This is American.
Kebab there, Turkey.
Ah, that on the top says American long potato. Okay, potato is American long potato. But yeah, Turkish kebab. I was surprised. Okay, this.
何がいい？
Alright, let's go and try from the one that is a smaller line.
No people ね。
No people. Yeah.
Choose from no people.
Let's try from that. Orme. Alright. Some German sausage as well. And now we got some food. We're gonna go and try somewhere. It's a good weather. Who? That person is making the. That's the chef? Oh, it's the chef. Okay. Alright. Also, there is a stage. Enjoy the music.
125,600 minutes.
Let's go and try. It's a very beautiful day in Tokyo, and later we're gonna try some dessert as well. Okay.
なんかさ、
Here is the.
美味しそう。
Yeah.
美味しそう。
We got 4 type of foods.
ピクニックしよう。
Yeah. Everybody's doing picnic here. We can also find a place. Let's go. And it's there's a really nice Japanese garden here, and it's super beautiful. And Sumida Park, Skytree over there, and that's the park. Alright, we found a really cool spots just near the pond. It's a really beautiful Japanese garden here, as you see. So this garden was under construction last year. Now it's ready, super beautiful. Okay, beautiful view of Skytree and the park, and let's try some food now.
箸が1個しかない。 箸が1個しかない。It's from Taiwan, kakuni pao.
Kakuni
So, pork です。
pork and bread, yeah, from Taiwan.
いただきます。
Okay.
Just 500 yen.
It's very small.
Reasonable.
But yeah, very small. It's like one bite.
Amai.
That's good. Oh my, sweet. Alright. Yeah,
パンチふわふわ。
yeah, soft.
Very soft.
Alright, where was this from?
Ghana.
From Ghana.
Ghana.
From Africa. Okay. So it's chicken.
Rice
It's like fried chicken with rice with some salad. How is it?
First experience.
Spicy? It's good.
Not spicy.
Tasty.
なんかね、爽やかな refreshing taste.
Refreshing taste.
And chicken, fried chicken. ちょっとだけ、はい。チキン。
Chicken taste.
スモーキーだ。
Smoky
ス
chicken.
モーキーチキン。美味しい。
Alright, what was this one? This one from
シュラスコ。
Shirasco.
ブラジル。
Shirasco from
シュラ
Brazil.
スコ。
Shirasco.
まあ本当の発音知らない。I'm not sure the actual pronunciation. Japanese pronounce is シュラスコ。
Shirasco, okay.
まずベジタブルから。美味しい。
It's good.
美味しい。ソーセージ。
Sausage.
あ、すごく美味しいです。
美味しい?
味がしっかりしてて、
Alright.
なんていうの、味がしっかりしてる。
So is the
で、
taste is
肉
really
の味がする。
yeah.
テイスト
like
が
a
ミ
good taste of good quality meat.
じゃあ次これね、チキンですねこれ。チキン。
This one was mixed, so it's all together. You can
プ
try
リ
it.
プリ。プリプリ。
Puri, very soft. And there are some
Lovely.
pigeons all over here. They're also hungry.
ビーフ。
Beef. How is the beef? Good?
ハッピーネス。
Okay.
すっごく柔らかい。これ2000円だね。
2000.
2000.
Yeah. This one is the most expensive one, 2000.
It's so good.
Yeah. It's from Germany. Alright. Looks delicious.
No additive sausage.
So it's very organic.
So we can't get non-additive sausage in Japan. So this is a very rare opportunity to eat.
Okay.
いただきます。
Tastes like no additive.
歯の間に肉が挟まった。ハーブ
Herb taste.
very
Herb
juicy.
Juicy herb
ペ
taste.
ッパー、ハーブ。
Okay.
めっちゃ美味しい。
Alright.
リアルソーセージテイスト。
Alright, let me try a Brazilian sausage. It's really good. I like this one more than this. And
これ超美味しいよこれ。やばいよ。
it tastes really good. It was lamb, yeah? It's lamb.
めっちゃ美味しいです。
I think among this all, that one is the most delicious. Also, pigeons also are enjoying the food.
喧嘩しないようにみんなにあげたらいいでしょ。So they are fighting each other. So I give all of them.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm
It's
in
enough
the
for-
ladder.
A super beautiful day and Skytree. The food was really good. We're gonna get some dessert now.
I was bitten by mosquito.
Mosquitoes, wow. Yeah.
ありがとうございます。ここからはフーガドールスミダチアスクールやフーガドールスミダフットサルスクールのチラシをフーガドールスミダチアダンススクールは毎週火曜日
You wanna join them? You wanna join them? No?
Yes.
You wanna join them?
かわいい。
Yeah. All right.
皆さん温かい手拍子ありがとうございます。本日この後東新アリーナにてフーガドール隅田の試合が開催されます。F リーグやフットサルをご覧になったことない方でもぜひご観戦いただきたいです。
The World War, not World War, sorry. World Cup. World Cup is coming up soon. Not World Cup. World Cup, yeah. World Cup is coming up
いらっしゃって
soon.
ください。
So,
私たちも一緒に最後まで熱いエールを送ります。 Let's go フーガー。
it was really good. Delicious food we tried. You can ride on boat like this. It's just
なんかさ、it seems like broken
broken boat.
屋形船 so broken boat or it just looks old 並木屋さんだ。
Okay, there are some restaurant on the canal
カフェ
side.
もね、
Cafe as well.
This place name is Mizumachi.
Mizumachi.
So this street has some restaurants and cafes and some shopping
Yeah.
shops, shopping shops.
Yeah.
So and good point is always less people. It's weekend
Yeah.
today, but
It is
you
quiet.
can see very quiet and really nice atmosphere.
Yeah.
Many
Skytree is
benches
over there.
are there, so there is a family mart over there, and you can get some drinks
Yeah.
from
And
the
then come
family
to the
mart.
canal,
Yeah,
riverside.
night time.
Nighttime is very
much
beautiful.
better because Tokyo Skytree will light up.
Yeah.
So enjoy drinking with canal and Skytree. ここ大好き. One of my favorite spot in Tokyo is here.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Okay, all right, guys. I think that's it for today. Okay, we're gonna finish the video now. Please hit the like button, guys. Subscribe if you're new, and check out the upcoming videos. And also check out our Smiley Walk tours. The link is under this video. If you're coming to Japan, please check the link. If you want to enjoy some cool spots in Tokyo, then you can join us. See you on the next one.
See you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.